Hello everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. I am Arpita Sharma, your educator, and we are going to study today Digital India program. 6 years have passed since the Digital India program was started. So let us understand the progress of the Digital India program, what steps government has taken so far in the Digital India program, and how further we can improve the Digital India program. What are the different programs or the you can say schemes or the you can say launches that government of India has come up with under the Digital India program. We are going to study all of that together. हम prelims के perspective से इस entire Digital India program को आज पढ़ने वाले हैं. तो make sure that you watch this lecture till the very end. Make sure that you take notes till the very end. आप notes बनाते रहिएगा. Do not be dependent on the PDF. PDF will be uploaded on the Telegram channel, but don't be dependent on it. Make your own small notes. Okay, for any final study or the for any final lookout on the topic, you can refer to the PDF, but your notes, your own notes should also come handy to you when it comes to your revision. Let's get started with the Digital India program in detail. When it comes to digital adoption, then India is amongst the top 2 countries globally. चाइना से पीछे हैं हम थोड़ा इस मामले में, बट हम टॉप 2 कंट्रीज में आते हैं जब डिजिटल अडॉप्शन की बात आती है, डिजिटल डायमेंशंस को अडॉप्ट करने की बात आती है. So on this note, we are going to start our program today. Recently, Prime Minister of India, he addressed a virtual event. Virtual means a digital event, a video conferencing event to mark or to celebrate the completion of the 6 years of Digital India program. Digital India program को लॉन्च हुए अभी 6 साल कंप्लीट हो चुके हैं और इसी को सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए, इसी को मार्क करने के लिए, ऑब्जर्व करने के लिए प्राइम मिनिस्टर जी ने एक वर्चुअल इवेंट कंडक्ट किया था. Now, India is amongst the top 2 countries globally, just behind China. And by 2022, it is said India's digital economy is likely to cross $1 trillion. यानी कि डिजिटल इकोनॉमी का मतलब क्या होता है, जो आप डिजिटली अपना व्यापार करते हो या डिजिटली अपना काम करते हो, प्रोफेशन को डिजिटली कैरी आउट करते हो, तो वो जो मार्क है वो $1 ट्रिलियन हमारी डिजिटल इकोनॉमी मार्क को क्रॉस कर जाएगी 2022 तक, ऐसा स्पेकुलेट किया जाता है. Okay, point clear? Let us understand the Digital India program. This Digital India program was launched with an objective to prepare India for a knowledge future or for a future knowledge. Future की knowledge को strong बनाने के लिए या future के लिए इंडिया को knowledgeable बनाने के लिए, strengthen up करने के लिए इस program को launch किया गया. There are 3 pillars when it comes to the vision of the program. जब बात आती है vision की, हर देखो every step, every कर्मा, every act that you do has a vision. आप बिना विजन के कोई काम करते ही नहीं हो. आपके दिमाग में फ्यूचर को लेके कोई ना कोई इमेज या विजन रहती है, तभी आप कोई ना कोई काम करते हो. If you are studying for UPSC, you are not just studying to just pass away your time. You are studying for UPSC with a vision to improve the society, with a vision to change people's lives, right? So here also Digital India program has 3 pillars, which are the 3 vision areas of Digital India program. First is the digital infrastructure. ऐसा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डिजिटली तैयार करना हर इंसान के लिए, ताकि वो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर हर सिटीजन को एम्पावर करे, हर सिटीजन को इकोनॉमिकली फाइनेंशियली स्ट्रांग बनाए और हर सिटीजन को सपोर्ट करे. फॉर एग्जांपल, ड्यूरिंग कोरोना वायरस लॉकडाउन, यू वर ऑर्डरिंग वेजिटेबल्स और फूड ऑनलाइन, यू वर इवन ऑर्डरिंग मेडिसिन ऑनलाइन, यू वर इवन गोइंग फॉर डॉक्टर्स कंसल्टेशन ऑनलाइन. जब बाहर निकलना मुश्किल हो गया था तो आप क्या कर रहे थे? ऑनलाइन डॉक्टर से कंसल्ट कर रहे थे, ऑनलाइन अपने चेकअप्स करवाने के लिए ऑर्डर्स कर रहे थे, ठीक है, और ऑनलाइन मेडिसिन परचेज कर रहे थे, वेजिटेबल्स, फ्रूट, सब कुछ ऑनलाइन परचेज कर रहे थे. दैट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ डिजिटल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर. सेकेंड, गवर्नेंस एंड सर्विसेज ऑन डिमांड. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आधार में या पैन में कुछ चीज आपको चेंज करानी है, अब ऑनलाइन हो जाता है या नहीं? When you want to change your surname or your date of birth or your phone number, or you want to update any information on your PAN or Aadhaar, you can do it online now. अब आपको बाहर जाने की जरूरत थोड़ी है, ऑनलाइन कर सकते हो. You can even apply for anything online. अगर आपको गवर्नमेंट के किसी वेबसाइट के द्वारा किसी पोस्ट के लिए अप्लाई करना है, ऑनलाइन कर सकते हो. इवन पासपोर्ट, वीजा की सर्विसेज भी ऑनलाइन अवेलेबल है. इवन FIR कैन बी फाइल्ड ऑनलाइन. आई माई सेल्फ फाइल्ड एन FIR ऑनलाइन, राइट. मैंने भी एक अपने मोबाइल फोन गुम हो गया था, तो उसकी जो रिपोर्ट है वो ऑनलाइन ही दर्ज करवाई थी. पॉइंट क्लियर हो रहा है? तो सर्विसेज ऑन, और ये बहुत इजी हो गया, जब ऑनलाइन फाइलिंग हो जाती है, हमें एक पेपर डॉक्यूमेंट मिल जाता है, उससे हम सिम कार्ड ब्लॉक करा सकते हैं फटाफट, अपना जल्दी से जल्दी एक्शन ले सकते हो जब सर्विसेज, गवर्नमेंट गवर्नेंस सर्विसेज ऑनलाइन मिल जाती है। एंड दिस एम्पावर्स द सिटीजन्स। तो डिजिटल एम्पावरमेंट, okay, what kind of empowerment? The digital empowerment, you can empower the citizens digitally by the Digital India program. So these are the three pillars. Now let us again revise it. Three pillars or the three visions of Digital India program is creating digital infrastructure to help the citizens, which can be of use for every citizen, providing governance and services on demand, and digital empowerment of the citizens. These are the three vision areas of Digital India program. This is also important for GS paper 2 and GS paper 3. तो अगर आपको लग रहा है ना कि भूल जाए या फिर चलो इग्नोर करो, तो भैया इग्नोर मत कर देना गलती से भी. Do not ignore this. Okay, you can, these type of contents only help you to write an answer. फिर आप कंफ्यूज होते हो, मैम आंसर कैसे लिखें, फ्रेम कैसे करें इंट्रोडक्शन. जब तक कंटेंट ही नहीं होगा तो कैसे आंसर लिख पाओगे, लिख ही नहीं पाओगे. तो इसलिए इसको अच्छे से रिवाइज करो. ओके, नाउ लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड द ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ डिजिटल इंडिया प्रोग्राम. फर्स्ट इज ऑब्वियसली टू प्रिपेयर इंडिया फॉर द नॉलेज ऑफ फ्यूचर. फ्यूचर की नॉलेज के लिए, फ्यूचर में जो भी हमारे सामने चैलेंजेस और नॉलेज आने वाला है, कंटेंट आने वाला है, उसके लिए अपने आप को पहले ही तैयार करना है. सेकेंड इज फॉर बीइंग ट्रांसफॉर्मेटिव. हाउ कैन यू बी ट्रांसफॉर्मेटिव? अब तुम ट्रांसफॉर्मेटिव कैसे हो सकते हो, कैसे ट्रांसफॉर्म ला सकते हो अपने अंदर? फर्स्ट, to realize IT. Now here IT does not means information technology. The first IT means Indian talent. So first is to realize IT. That is how you can transform yourself. अब आपने देखा होगा कुछ लोग हैं जो IT की इंडियन टैलेंट पे विश्वास नहीं करते, तो वो अपने वही पुराने कंजर्वेटिव मेथड्स को यूज करते हैं और स्लोली टॉर्टॉइस के पेस पे आगे ग्रो करते हैं. बट अगर आप इंडियन टैलेंट को समझ जाओ, अपने टैलेंट को समझ जाओ, अपने कंट्री के यूथ के टैलेंट को समझ जाओ, आप बहुत जल्दी उसको यूज कर पाओगे. इफ यू कैन रिकॉग्नाइज टैलेंट, रियलाइज टैलेंट, यू कैन यूज इट, और एल्स यू विल मूव फॉरवर्ड एट द पेस ऑफ अ टॉर्टॉइस. सो फर्स्ट इज टू रियलाइज द इंडियन टैलेंट. Second is to realize the information technology, the power of information technology, and that's how you will come to the, or you can say you will stumble upon the India tomorrow. Yani ki 3 ITs are used. First is Indian talent, second is information technology, and that's how you will attain the India tomorrow, future India. Okay, ये याद रखना. दिस इज गोइंग टू गिव यू द बोनस मार्क्स इफ क्वेश्चन कम्स ऑन डिजिटल इंडिया प्रोग्राम. देन मेकिंग टेक्नोलॉजी सेंट्रल टू इनेबलिंग चेंज. इफ यू वांट टू ब्रिंग अ चेंज, टेक्नोलॉजी शुड बी एट द सेंटर ऑफ योर प्लान, ऑफ योर आइडिया. अगर आप चेंज लाना चाहते हो तो टेक्नोलॉजी को अपने दिमाग के, अपने प्लान के, अपने स्ट्रैटेजी के सेंटर में रखना. इवन व्हेन यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर यूपीएससी, एवरीथिंग इज अवेलेबल ऑनलाइन, फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. यूपीएससी की भी तैयारी कर रहे हो, फ्री रिसोर्सेज आर अवेलेबल. इफ यू वांट गाइडेंस, पेड रिसोर्सेज आर आल्सो अवेलेबल. And when I talk about the paid resources, here Unacademy is providing one subscription to crack UPSC CSE at the most affordable prices at just 57,500. Earlier, if you would wanted to or wish to get you can say guidance or mentorship, it would amount you to about 1 to 2.3 lakhs. But now Unacademy is providing all these benefits, batches, test series, prelims, mains, optional test series, books, everything at just 57,500. And this offer is till the end of July month, because from 1st August the prices will increase. So subscribe now. The link is given below in the description box. Make the use of technology and strengthen your UPSC CSE preparation. We have new batches starting from 28th of July. So before that, if you can, take your subscription. And also you can use this code ARPITA10 and get 10% discount. ये कोड यूज करके आपको आराम से 10% का डिस्काउंट भी मिल जाएगा. ओके, so use code ARPITA10 and get 10% discount on your subscription on Unacademy. Now this is the umbrella program. That means it covers all the departments. So when it comes to creating digital infrastructure, all the sectors, all the departments will be covered, and this will pull together many existing schemes also. Many schemes right, will be pulled together under the Digital India program. Now the schemes you can avail them online also. किसी भी स्कीम का बेनिफिट आप ऑनलाइन भी अवेल कर सकते हो, अब आपको दफ्तरों के चक्कर लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है. There are various different schemes of Digital India program. Now it is also important for prelims. So the first we will study about Diksha. Diksha means Digital Infrastructure, DI, for knowledge, K, sharing, SHA. डिजिटल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर फॉर नॉलेज शेयरिंग, इट इज दीक्षा. DI का मतलब डिजिटल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, K मीन्स नॉलेज, SHA मीन्स शेयरिंग. And it serves as National Digital Infrastructure for Teachers because it's a knowledge sharing platform now, so it is for teachers. So teachers all across the nation through this Diksha platform, they will be equipped with advanced digital technology for teaching, for sharing their knowledge. Then second is ENAM. ENAM, it was launched in 2016. Now it is Pan India. Pan means all India. Pan का मतलब all होता है. Pan means all. So all India electronic trade portal linking agricultural produce market committees across the state. So this is for the ease of the farmers and the traders. Then we have E-Sanjeevani. Sanjeevani, all you must have remembered Sanjeevani through Ramayana. ठीक है, हनुमान जी he brought Sanjeevani booty to cure Lakshmana. So Sanjeevani is related to medicine. So E-Sanjeevani, it's a telemedicine service. So it is under Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Then we have Digi Bunai. Bunai means it is related to knitting something. Bunai का मतलब होता है, एक हिंदी वर्ड होता है, it's a Hindi word means knitting. So Digi Bunai means it will help the weavers to create digital artwork and create different sari designs, and they can load the images on the platform, and that's how they can sell their products. So it's a first of its kind open source software for jacquard and Adobe weaving. What is an open source software? So open source software is a computer software that is released under a license in which the copyright holder grants the users the right to use, study, change and distribute the software. Okay, so that is an open source software. Then we have PM Swanidhi scheme. It is under the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, and it has been launched by this particular ministry has launched Pradhan Mantri Street Vendors Atmanirbhar Nidhi, which is Swanidhi, for providing affordable loans to the street vendors. तो बेसिकली डिजिटल ट्रांजैक्शंस जो भी स्ट्रीट वेंडर्स करेंगे उनको इंसेंटिव्स मिलेंगे स्कीम के थ्रू. फॉर एग्जांपल गोलगप्पा वेंडर, ठीक है, any transaction that he does through digitally or digital medium, QR codes, etc. So he will be incentivized for that. Okay, that is PM Swanidhi scheme for street vendors. When we talk about the Digital India program, it was launched way back in 2015. आज से 6 साल पहले इसको लॉन्च किया गया था, ये पॉइंट आपको याद रखना है. And the program has been enabled for several important government schemes like BharatNet, Startup India, etc. So before we understand the achievements of Digital India program, here's a small announcement for all of you. We have this India's most comprehensive test series for optional preparation offer. If you are preparing for your 2021, 2022 or 23 or even 24 attempt, you must be preparing your optional also, okay, simultaneously. Or if you are preparing for 2021, you must have completed your optional by now. So if you are preparing your optional and you are worried about giving the test series, where to give the test, because now because of this coronavirus, it's very tough to step out of your house, okay, and risk the safety of your own body and the health of your loved ones. So students, they prefer to give test online. Now how to you can say make sure that the educator that is analyzing a test, he or she is equipped enough with the knowledge to analyze it. So Unacademy is providing that platform for all of you. We have top educators from different best coaching centers of India. They have come now on Unacademy. They have joined Unacademy, and we have educators who themselves have experiences in the field of civil services. They are retired or they have left their jobs, and they are teaching on Unacademy. So those educators are going to analyze your answer sheets, and they are going to provide these tests to you, and you will be given a window of 7 days to attempt the test. Then your test will be analyzed. You will be given comprehensive model answers also on the optional test series, and there will be 20 plus tests, 21 total tests in the optional test series. It is worth rupees 15,000, but we are providing it free of cost if you take a GS plus optional combo pack. अगर आप GS और ऑप्शनल का कॉम्बो पैक लेते हो या 1 साल का सब्सक्रिप्शन लेते हो कॉम्बो का, तो आपको ये टेस्ट सीरीज फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट मिलने वाली है. And this offer ends on 20th July. After 20th July, you might have to purchase the test series separately. So before that, before 20th July, if you take a combo subscription, GS plus optional subscription on Unacademy Plus of 1 year or more, then you will be given this test series for free with all these benefits. The link is given below for this combo subscription. The links are provided in the description box below the video. You can use code ARPITA10 and get 10% discount on the Unacademy Plus subscription. Let us understand the achievement of Digital India program. First achievement is digital payments, ease of making payments, you can say. Right, during coronavirus, during this pandemic, whatever I purchased outside, I did not use the exchange of cash. I made the payments digitally, and it was so easy without risking touching any contaminated surface or contaminated hand. It was so easy just to scan the QR code and make the payment. So this is ease of making payment. And even if you want to give money to your service, the people who provide you services like the maids or the drivers or the cooks, etc., you can make digital payments. Even if the people who are providing the service, they are at their hometowns or their villages, you can just send them money digitally online. So that is the ease of making payment digitally. The introduction of UPI, that is Unified Payments Interface, which was introduced, it also introduced the benefits of digital payments. Then easing the operations of business, Electronic Customer Identification System, eKYC. Now on Amazon or on any other platform, you can just do your KYC electronically. You can just do eKYC. Not just platforms like Amazon, but also banks. Maybe in banks also you can, for example, Kotak Mahindra Bank. You can use the facility of eKYC online only. Okay. Then we have DigiLocker, all the class 12, class 11, class 10th mark sheets, all the other documents, all the Aadhaar documents, etc. They can be stored now on DigiLocker. Then we have eSign, any contract, if you are a working professional, any contract you want to sign with your company, you can simply eSign it. So these platforms just help us to streamline our operations. Then we have beyond the JAM Trinity. What started as a simple step to kick off the JAM Trinity, JAM means Jan, Dhan, Aadhaar and Mobile, to remove the leakages in the system, today empowered the entire vaccination drive for COVID. इंडिया को सेकंड नेशन बनाया है यूएसए के बाद जिन्होंने 20 करोड़ वैक्सीन एडमिनिस्टर करी है आफ्टर बाय यूजिंग दिस जैम ट्रिनिटी, जन धन, आधार एंड मोबाइल. ओके, सो नाउ ऑन द कोविन ऐप और द आरोग्य सेतु ऐप आराम से आप आधार का यूज करके अपना सर्टिफिकेट निकाल सकते हो. वैक्सीन के बाद वहीं पर ही नोटिफिकेशन आ जाती है, वहीं आपको ई सर्टिफिकेट मिल जाता है. एवरीथिंग बिकम्स इजी टू मैनेज. सो दीज आर द अचीवमेंट्स ऑफ डिजिटल इंडिया प्रोग्राम. आई होप you enjoyed this lecture. If you really enjoyed it, do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and also the class PDF will be uploaded on the Telegram channel. Simplifying UPSC with ease. You can download it from there. Thank you.